D-I-O.
Unfortunately, incorrect there as well. It was P-E-C-C-A-D-I-L-L-O, a relative minor fault or sin. Thank you to my English specialist. May I have my mathematicians on here, please? Welcome. Welcome. So we have Setonam and Ameguchi. Welcome. You have 2 questions. Ready? A salad must have exactly 2 of 3 different kinds of vegetables, 2 of 4 different kinds of fruit, and 1 of 2 different kinds of croutons. How many possible salads are there? A, 36, B, 30, C, 28, D, 24, or E, none of these? Right,
36.
You're correct, Amaguchi, 36. Very good. Second question for your mathematicians. 2 lasers with equations x equals 4 and x equals 7 are shown from above on a parabolic mirror with equation y equals x2. After both rays are reflected, through what point do both rays first pass? So what point did they first pass? Is it A, 0,5, or B, 0,1, or C, 0,0, or D, 0,25, or E, none of these? Amaguchi?
0,1 out of 4.
You're correct, Amaguchi. You're correct. Excellent work from you there, Amaguchi. Brilliant. May I have my scientists on stage, please? Welcome. So we have Joseph and Kwesi. Right, are we ready? First question. Which of the following most accurately represents the complete range of wavelengths to which the human eye is sensitive? Is it A, 320 to 600 nanometers, B, 380 to 740 nanometers, C, 450 to 850 nanometers? Kwame?
B.
B. St. Peter's get the point there. B. B. Well done. Second question of this round. Which of the following is not true? A. Over 50% of all stars that appear to be single are double or multiple systems. B. Aurora borealis can occur in all 4 seasons. C. Right, that was you, Joseph.
B.
B is incorrect, so I'm going to continue for you, Kwesi, all right? C. Tetanus toxin causes muscle stiffness in affected humans. And D. The Large Hadron Collider at CERN, or CERN, began colliding electrons in September of 2008. Yes?
D.
D is the correct answer, Kwesi. D is the correct answer. Thank you, scientists. May I have our social scientists up here, please? Welcome. So we have Wisdom and Joshua. Are we ready? Can you both see the monitors? Yeah, Wisdom? You can? And Joshua, okay. So wait, see the flag that comes on the screen and tell me what country it's for. Right, that was you, Joshua.
Central African Republic.
You are correct, Central African Republic. Right, second one is an audio. You're going to listen to someone speaking. You need to tell me who this individual is. They're Ghanaian, all right?
I think that it is easier to go back to the cumbersome nature of transacting in cash, forgetting about the convenience, which we all have to pay for to ensure that that service continues running. If you think it is easier to carry money in sacks and risk being attacked by robbers along the way and take transportation to carry that money to wherever we need to take it to.
There's the wonderful
And factor in all...
Ursula Owusu speaking there. Ursula Owusu speaking there. All right? That brings us to the end of the 4th round and the end of this contest. May I have the other competitors join us on the stage, please? So at the end of that round, we're tied. KETA have 30 points, St. Peter's have 30 points. Very good, very good. Okay, so let's see what the total for the contest actually is and who is going through to the next round. So at the end of that round, KETA Senior High School have 85 points. St. Peter's Senior High School have a whopping 220 points. And I think it was the STEM round. It was the STEM round that did it.